The concatenate function, what is it? Well, it's quite an unusual word. And basically what it means is it allows you to merge two bits of information together. So information held in one cell can be merged with another cell. For example, here on this chart we have your first name and your second name of a customer. But it's not the first and second name in one cell, it's individual cells. So for example, Mark Jenkins is called Mark and his surname is Jenkins, held in a different cell. But maybe you want to have one cell with both of those names in together. And the easiest way to do this would be to create a new cell that holds that information. But if I was to merge these two together, there would be no space between Mark and Jenkins. It would be just Mark Jenkins. But we want to create a space. So the easiest thing to do is just create a space between them initially. So I'm going to insert a column, and in that column I'm going to hit space. Just put one space in, and then I'm going to then copy that column all the way down. So every single cell between the first name and the surname now holds a space. And then what I'm going to do is over here I'm going to merge those two cells together. So I'm going to go to Concatenate, click OK. It's now asking you to tell it what information in text 1. So text 1 would be Mark, and in text 2 would be the space, and in text 3 would be the surname. And then if I click OK, you've now got Mark Jenkins. If I pull the mouse down, you've now got everybody's name in one cell. So what you need to do now is just create another insert there, and I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to type into there paste, but I'm going to paste it as 1, 2, 3 because I don't want to copy the formula, because I'm then going to delete the information that's in the first name and surname. So I'm just going to hit values. So that's now pasted without a formula. There's no formula there. There's still a formula here because this was the information that we collated. So I'm now going to delete this. Don't need it anymore. And I'm also going to delete, I'm just going to select those 3 cells there. I'm going to delete them. I'm just going to type in name. So now what you've got is you've got one cell hosting the name, which is the first name and the surname of the person, because you've merged them together.